Hi guys, how are you all doing? I'm making something very different today, and that is chickpea crepe with a different filling and some mango chutney and mint raita. So we begin here. So this is the regular chickpea flour or the besan, 1 cup, and I've added some spices to it, jeera, dhania, mirchi, namak, and water to make it into a thin batter. So I'll show you the ingredients for the filling inside. So this is, you can take either of the vegetables. I've taken the stalks of a broccoli. This is patta gobi, onion, capsicum. This is gajar. This is a boiled aloo, adrak, mirchi, pudina, dhania, and pudina with a for the mint cucumber raita. So I'll start by making the filling. I will put some onions. See, since it's not a regular filling, so I'm adding all the different things. Cabbage, Shimla mirchi. These are the stalks of broccoli. Lockdown times, you have to be very careful that you're not wasting even the stalks. This is dhania, mirchi. This is ginger. And here I have shredded carrot. And for the binding, I'll be adding some potato. So here goes all the masalas. These are the dry masalas I'll be putting. This is jeera, red chili, amchur, dhania, haldi, and some salt to taste. For the binding, I'll be putting some chickpea flour again. So quickly I'll make a patty out of this. I'll be adding some water to it. I'll be making a patty for the filling. For that, I'll heat a pan, put some oil, make a longish patty. I'll start here by making the crepes. So I've heated a non-stick pan. So let me take care of these patties. I don't want them to burn. So here's the batter. I'll be putting 2 ladle spoonful of the batter. Put some oil so that my chila gets roasted to a golden color. Let me see how my patty is doing. So this is the thick hung curd which I have taken in a cup. I'll be adding some kala namak to it, some mint leaves crushed really well, some dhania, so my crepe is ready here. I'll put another round of and follow as many as you like. I'll put a filling of this. I'll put some dhania, some chaat masala, so I've cooked some mango pieces in the khatti chutney, and I'll roll my crepe like this. So the flavor today is khatta, meetha, tikha. I'll roll the crepe like this. So this is how my crepe, mango chutney and mint cucumber raita looks like. Just taste it and tell me how it tastes. Thank you.